me something nasty in his pants.
Did you do that, partner? Did you show her something nasty in your pants? He say no. Come on, buddy. Do you have something in your pants? He say yes. What do you have in your pants, partner? A sausage. Did he show you his sausage?
No, it was not a sausage. It was smaller, but kind of long.
How could you? You got something long in your pants? I mean, besides the sausage? No, that's a thong. Something long, long. No, that's a gong. Something long. No, that's a prong. Something long, long. No, that's a tongs. No, that's a ping-pong. Something long. No, that's a song. Something long. No, that's a bong. Give me that. I think I need a hit about now.
I think you have all been smoking that too much.
What else you have in your pants, partner? Oh, he got the cock.
Not a cock rooster, but his other one.
He has two. You got another one, partner? Show us what you have in your pants. A clock? No, that's not what she means, partner. A block? No, that's not it. No, that's a crock. That's not it. No, that's a lock. No, that's a chalk. No, that's a sock. That's still not it, partner. No, that's a walk. No, that's a cornstalk. I'm sorry, ma'am, but he doesn't seem to have anything nasty in his pants.
Ooh, you strange little man make me so mad.
You're getting hot. Makes me heat up, too. Let's spoon.
Oh, stop that.
You can't do that in the mixed company, boss. I'm all mixed up by now. My company seems nixed, if not mixed, and certainly not fixed.